See how you can turn your photo from this to this. Open the PSD file. Click on the I button to make the top layer invisible. Now select the layer titled, right-click and choose Edit Content. Right-click on it and then go to Edit Contents. You will be taken to a new window. Click on the I button to make the model layer invisible. Now drag and place your image above the model layer. Make sure the image is positioned appropriately with the marked lines. To do this, go to Edit and then click on Free Transform. Now hit Enter to fix the position of image. Go to File, click on Save and save this file. Go back to the original window. Customize the layers as per your requirements.